Oh hey, I didn't see you there. Welcome to the Menlo Club September package preview.
I think you're gonna lose it halfway through.
So this month's theme focuses on what it is that gives you confidence. This is all about taking our new Kurt sneaker that you will receive this month and stepping into this season ready for anything. Whether you're making changes in your life for the better, for a job interview, making a speech for the first time, going on a first date, or even getting married.
I'm sitting here by dropping my phone, I'm sitting here with our new CEO for New Republic, Josh Kaplan, and we wanted to give you a little background on how New Republic started and more importantly, where we're going. And really talk about the sneaker that's gotten super popular, our Kurt sneaker. For those that don't know, New Republic started 3 years ago. We incubated it as a shoe brand for our Menlo Club members. The brand took off right away because the club members really kind of resonated with the product, the style, and the versatility of the product. We take care of our club members first, but now we've built this incredible brand and product assortment that's really resonating with men all over the world. You know, right before this, you were talking about how in September's shoe drop, we've already made significant improvements to the shoe.
Yes.
So I wanted to talk about that.
There's a concept in business called the MVP, minimum viable product, right? The baseline where you feel comfortable presenting to the world what your brand is and what your product is, right? And so we'll call the Kurt 1.0 that MVP, where it has the right style, it has the right construction, has the right quality to test whether or not there's an appetite for it. So we've already started to improve upon this MVP with better quality leather, with more improved lacing system, with more high quality construction as far as the last, which will help improve the comfort of the shoe. And we're gonna continue to do that, right? We keep improving upon the shoe season after season, year after year. And the idea is that this product today that we're putting in the box is already so much more improved than day one and will only continue to get better.
Yeah, really specifically talking about the shoes we're shipping this month, like the colors are important for the evolution. So members who've been with us a long time got white, they got black, which are your literally can wear with anything. And now we're giving you the brown leather, the gray, which are both such powerful looks to me. What else do you need in a closet if you have these shoes?
You could argue you don't need anything else. What we want to make sure of is that the members understand that this is not a departure from that classic look, from that effortless style, right? Gray and brown can be as versatile as black and white, and that's why this next generation of the Kurt is going to reflect that.
So we have this beautiful kind of classic brown leather and kind of modern gray. How do you think these colors really kind of go with, you know, we briefly touched on like from a style perspective, but like...
And the effortlessness?
Yeah.
Well, so these, first off, the fact that these shoes retail for slightly under $100 and every member is getting them for $60 as part of a package.
And a pair of socks.
And a pair of socks is incredible, right? So right off the bat, talk about value. Like, I'm so excited. You know, Aaron has done a phenomenal job of not only looking at what our members are wearing today, but also what they'll be wearing for the next 12 months. And so as each season and each month changes, these are silhouettes and colors that we believe will look good with everything season after season.
The sneaker itself, it's really interesting because like this shoe, the Kurt, is the most versatile shoe I've ever seen. As someone who travels a lot, it is, outside of my running shoe, it is the only sneaker or shoe period I take when I travel is the Kurt. It doesn't even matter the color. I could take it if it's for work purpose, dinner purpose, because like it's important to have that in your closet.
You know, the versatility to me, we joke about how many guys have a uniform, right? It's like your go-to outfit that you wear every day. The Kurt has proven to be the best silhouette and style for that uniform. You know, the theme for this month's box is what brings you confidence. And for us, you know, the way I see it, confidence is a result of effortlessness. So when you can put all of your attention into what you're doing, you feel confident doing it, right? And so with this new Kurt, with this new style, with these new colors that we're releasing for this box, what we're trying to do is create that sense of confidence by making every single outfit wearing it completely effortless.
And where do you see the brand going? So 6 months from now, a year from now, what can members expect to see with the evolution of the brand?
Sure. Travel is going to be such an important narrative of this brand moving forward because this shoe can take you places.
Yeah, which is a powerful thing because as someone that travel a lot, realizing the versatility of what you pack and what you take and the comfort and the style, that's so powerful that I think is an overlooked thing. Where's that British guy, Aaron?
Hello guys, Aaron here, design director. Can't even get that bit right. Hi guys, Aaron here, design director at Menlo. And today we're going to talk to you about your September package. I'm really excited because we've got 2 brand new colorways with the Kurt sneaker. We have this beautiful brown leather version and a super unique gray leather version. And they're going to come with one of these pairs of luxurious socks, these nice crew socks. So these new colorways for the Kurt sneaker, they're a perfect transition from summer into fall, and it's going to carry you all the way through into spring next year. At Menlo, we don't actually just design 1 month's package at a time. We think about how it ties back to the previous packages that you got, and also how it's going to tie in with the packages that you're going to receive in the future. So with that in mind, we make sure that all of the colors coordinate with each other. Down here is how we kind of map it out. How, for example, your jeans from August package will tie in with the color of your sock and your sneaker, through to the jacket and the scarf you're gonna get in October, and the button-down shirt and top that you'll get in November. When we design each season, I try to do it in a way that there's at least 3 seasons with a similar kind of theme. So for September, October, and November, the idea is old classic painters, how they used to paint the same landscape, but just over various seasons. So as it changes, the color changes, and that's where we got a color card from. So this naturally just allows the colors to sit together because they're based on the same landscape, just different seasons. So for example, the August, put these together, beautiful outfit. And then for the mix, guys, like super rich, deep classic look.
Have you gotten a pair of the greatest running short ever? The Kinetic Grand AC short. Look at this beautiful short, lightweight, tested personally by me, hundreds of miles, maybe thousands of miles. Zipper pocket, pockets in the right place. The best compression you've ever seen. 3M printing. For members, 25% off and free shipping. Get active. Look good. Feel good. Smell good.